Welcome again, AI Crypto Squad, to another exciting episode of AI Crypto News, where we bring you today's latest and greatest news in the crypto space in just a few short minutes. Let's get into it. In an epic showdown reminiscent of the little guy taking on the big guns, Grayscale has emerged victorious against Gary Gensler and the SEC. That's right, Grayscale's tenacity has led to a court ruling that could in fact revolutionize the way we interact with Bitcoin. As a US judge dropped another L on the SEC, ruling that SEC's denial of Grayscale's spot Bitcoin ETF application must be reevaluated. This decision, straight from the US Court of Appeals for the DC Circuit, is making waves throughout the entire crypto landscape. Now rewind a bit with me. The SEC has been wielding its regulatory hammer for a decade, giving the cold shoulder to spot Bitcoin ETFs. These elusive investment vehicles are advertised to promise exposure to Bitcoin without the hassle of actually holding the digital gold. However, fam, self-custody of your own Bitcoin is always best, not financial advice. But oh, the tides have turned. The DC Circuit Court just called out Gary Gensler and the SEC's bullshit for its lack of coherent reasoning behind approving Bitcoin futures ETFs while slamming the door on Grayscale's proposal. The court isn't buying it, folks, and they've labeled the SEC's move as unlawful. The news is like music to not only Grayscale's ears, but it damn sure is to mine and the entire crypto space as a whole. A Grayscale spokesperson hailed it as a monumental step forward. And brace yourselves for the market reaction. Bitcoin, our favorite digital gold, shot up a dazzling 5% within an hour of the announcement, and now at just over 28k USD at the time of this recording. Ethereum and XRP, not to be outshined, followed suit with over 4% gains. Clearly the markets are getting a good pump from this announcement. Now picture this: Bitcoin striding onto Wall Street, rubbing shoulders with traditional stocks. The spot Bitcoin ETF could be crypto's key to getting a front row seat in the world of mainstream finance. But wait, there's more. There's a ticking 45-day countdown on the clock. Grayscale and the SEC can choose to appeal this decision, taking the crypto drama all the way to the US Supreme Court. Let's just hope they don't drag this shit any longer than they've already have. So hold on to your Bitcoin wallets, because the big players are joining the party. BlackRock and Fidelity are ready to strut their ETF dreams on the crypto catwalk. Grayscale even argued that if one ETF gets the thumbs up, they all should. Let's see if the SEC agrees. And even more reason why we hold Bitcoin to begin with, as it's our hedge against the constant devaluation of fiat currency, and the big guys clearly see that paper money is flat out going to the shitter. Bitcoin has had its fair shares of ups and downs, but remember, the digital phoenix has a habit of rising from the ashes. While we're not at the jaw-dropping all-time high of 69k per coin, today's victory is a step toward making crypto more colorful and accessible. Up here in Canada, my neck of the woods, crypto Twitter's Wrath of Cayman unearthed something exciting from the XRP community. He spotted a tantalizing tweet about Ripple Labs and the University of Waterloo teaming up for something big. He shared on Twitter. Interesting resume from the University of Waterloo, touting recent CBDC research based on the XRPL. Notes they prototyped a banking interface to be presented at UBRI Connect 2023. Lots of development happening in Canada, quote unquote. So here's the scoop. The University of Waterloo was on the lookout for a research assistant named William Park. He was tinkering with Python, XRPL, and more, all to explore the potential of a central bank digital currency on the XRPL blockchain, a banking interface prototype that'll take center stage at UBRI Connect 2023. So what's UBRI Connect, you ask? It's like a crypto family reunion that brings scholars, researchers, and big thinkers from the UBRI network under one virtual roof. This year it's going down in the heart of Canada's crypto hub, Toronto, Ontario, October 12th and the 13th. Ripple's not just standing on the sidelines of this Canadian crypto event. Oh no, they're taking center stage. Ripple's University's blockchain initiative has joined forces with the University of Toronto. This dynamic duo is firing up an XRP ledger validator and scouting talent for XRPL campus ambassadors. Professor Andreas Veneris of the University of Toronto even gave Ripple a nod of approval for their long-standing commitment to advancing blockchain technology. Now let's zoom out a bit. Ripple's not just throwing a crypto party in Canada, they're cooking up something special for central banks worldwide. They're crafting a private version of the public XRP ledger. Think of it as a tailored Tom Ford suit for central bank digital currencies. It promises fast, secure, and cost-effective transactions that central banks have been yearning for. Countries like Palau, Montenegro, and Hong Kong are already taking this CBDC experiment for a spin on the XRPL. And there you have it, fam. Ripple is clearly making its mark in the CBDC game, and more reason we should all have some exposure to XRP, not financial advice. Well, that's all for AI Crypto News, and thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this newscast, please like, subscribe, and share it out. And what are your thoughts about this favorable ruling for Grayscale's application for a Bitcoin ETF? Do you think this could ignite the bull market rally? Go ahead and leave your comments below. And as always, take care and stay blessed.